Migration of the birds. Many species of birds engage in migration, which is a regular seasonal movement. Frequently going north and south. Movements made by birds can be attributed to changes in weather. Habitat, or access to food. About 1,800 different species of long-distance migrants make up a significant portion of the world's 10,000 bird species. Many of these birds cover distances of several thousand kilometers. Seeking ideal feeding and breeding grounds. The precise dates that birds migrate depend on a variety of variables. Including the bird species, the distance traveled during migration. How quickly they move along the route, the climate, and weather patterns. Birds typically begin their annual migration from Europe to Africa at the start of winter. Around mid-November and continue through the end of January. This makes up the best Avitourism season in Kenya for bird watchers, observers, and enthusiasts who eagerly anticipate beholding this great phenomenon. The nation makes a great location for bird habitats due to its diversity of landscapes. The coastal ecosystems are ideal for saltwater and migratory birds. In Kenya, there are also grasslands, wetlands, lakes, especially Nakuru valleys. national parks and forests provide year-round excellent ecosystems for birds.